In this video, I'm going to be showing you a market analysis and the forecast that I saw right now as I was just surfing through my charts, and that is going to be EURAUD. I'm going to be doing the analysis using 3 different systems to show how they synchronize and agree with one another, and my forecast and projection about EURUSD, how it's going to move. However, know that this is just my own personal analysis. This is my own just personal opinion. This is not a signal. This is not a way to tell you what to do with your money or to do with your trade. I'm just showing you what I'm doing right now, and if you see that it makes sense, of course you can decide to place the same trade, but I am not telling you what to do. Okay, so if you are watching this video and this is the very first time that you just stumble on my YouTube channel, I really appreciate you. But do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, like this video, share with your friend, and if you have any question or if you have any currency pairs or indices or precious metal that you want me to include in my analysis when next I do this kind of a video, please let me know at the description or at the comment section of this video. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we will dive into this analysis in a second.
Tradermatic, making trading fun, easy, and profitable. Visit www.tradermatic.net to get your copy at 80% discount today.
All right, so let's start from here. Okay, we're going to look into the currency strength right now for today. As you can see, euro is weak. This is minus 2.3. Euro is weak, and the AUD is strong. Okay, and I'm looking into the medium term. Okay, strength. So now when you also go to let's see what is happening today, the calendar, because if you want to place a trade, you want to be sure that okay, everything is clear. I'm creating this video on a Monday, as you can see, so there is no any forthcoming news that will affect either euro or AUD, so we are good with our analysis. So before we dive into this analysis, let me quickly share something with you. You know, the market doesn't travel in a straight line, so I want to share a concept that I just discover, and this also might help you, not just about euro AUD, but in any other analysis that you do. Okay, the market goes like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, or the market might go like down, up, down, up, down, up, like that. So in other way around, you could call this one like this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So when you don't start the trend, okay, this is the trend, okay, you know that trend has to be your friend. So if you don't start the particular trend, if you did not catch the initial stage of the trend, then you have to wait for this retracement. Okay, it's just like when you are running. When you are running, you cannot just keep running. There will be a time that you will slow down before you continue running again. So the same thing the market does. So the market moves up like this. Okay, it moves up like this. It moves up, then it comes back down like this. Then it will continue going up like this. Then it will retrace. Then it will continue. So if you miss this opportunity right here at A, then you cannot jump into the trade. So you will wait for that particular trend to retrace. Then when it retraces, then you can jump into the second move. I call it second move or second leg of that particular trade. So for instance, in this particular example, so this is a complete cycle right now. Okay, the market has a cycle. It has a cycle. This is it right here. Okay, so you have, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, so we have that. So if it moves like this and you were unable to catch this trend when it started, okay, You wait, let it retrace. If you know how to trade a pullback, you can trade this pullback, but this video is not about pullback trading strategy. If you want to, learn how to do that, you can, search my channel. I believe there's a video right there that I talk about how to trade a pullback, especially with Tradermatic. Okay, so now it pulls back. Then right there, you can now just, enter the trade to join the trend, because the trend is your friend. Okay, the trend is your friend. So now in this example, let's now go to, let's go to Tradermatic. We're going to use Tradermatic. Then we'll use a regular candlestick, like what I call the naked chart. Then we'll also use Smart Trader. So those three systems, you will see how they agree with each other in this particular currency pairs that I want to show you today. So let me share one of my okay, let's use this. I'm thinking of which one should we use. Okay, let's use this. Okay, so let's use this one. This is a EURAUD. As you can see, let me zoom out. So based on what I just explained right now, so this is downtrend. So this is, let's consider this as our A. So let's consider this as our A. Let's say this is A. Then let's take it down. So this point, let's call it our B. Then this, let's call it our C. So what are we expecting? We are expecting this to go down. So, and of course, in most cases, okay, nothing is 100% rigid right now, because the market that we know right now in 2023 is totally different to the market that I knew back then in 2006 when I started trading Forex. In fact, the market that we have right now is different to the market that used to exist 5 years ago, 10 years ago, even last year. Everything has changed due to arrival of chat, GPT, artificial intelligence, expert advisors, and so many high frequency trading. But in this particular EURAUD forecast and analysis, you can apply what I'm sharing with you right now to any other pair. Understand the concept, then you can use it for any other trade. So we have our A, we have B, we have C. So we are looking forward to go to D. Now, in most cases, okay, the concept and the theory of this ABCD pattern is that when you have this length right here, okay, this length, in most cases, the CD leg will be the same length with this. Okay, do you understand that concept? So if this, let's see how many pips is this move. This move is about, this pip is about 5. This move is about 527 pips. So let's call it 500 pips. 500 pips. So it therefore means that if this downward movement continues, we are expecting also about 500 pips downward. Okay, that is the forecast right there. So if you go to 4 hours, let's go to 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours and take a look at also what we're having. You can see now that we are also in downtrend. Why? Because we've already broken right now the uptrend. The uptrend is broken right there. Okay, the uptrend is broken right now. We are in downward move. So if you go to daily, okay, this is how you do your top-down analysis. If you go to daily, also you can see this red bearish candle forming right there. So now let's go back to 1 hour, because that is where we get our signal from. So take a look at this. Forget about all this arrow, forget about the Phoenix indicator, just work with me right here. So based on what I explained to you, okay, you can see that, okay, we move from A to B to C, and we're expected to go down. Now, this is another concept that kind of show me that, okay, this market is still going to continue, or this pair is going to continue downward. And this is this particular, number one, this bearish engulfing candle. So this bearish engulfing candle confirms that, okay, we are going downward, especially with this pair. So you enter your trade right here. you put your stop loss there. If you want to be conservative, you can use here as your take profit, but then you can also use here. Or if you want to take it, if you are an aggressive person and you want to actually make most of what I just explained in this place, okay? If you want to take advantage of this move, then measure this place to this place and use that as your take profit, okay? So you can use that scenario. Does that make sense to you? That is number one. So using my regular candlestick pattern, and especially with alligator indicator. Now, why did I pick this trade right here? With alligator, you can see it breaks down, okay? If you are one of my students by now, you will know that I like breakout, retest, continuation strategy. Breakout, retest, continuation strategy. So in this case, we broke, okay? This currency pair break down, okay? Broke down. It has retested. Now, with alligator, okay, if you understand the alligator indicator concept, this was invented by B. Williams. This is the lip, this is the tip, this is the jaw. So when it pulls back like this, when it pulls back like this, and it touches, you can see it touches this lip, the red one, and it closed below the lip. Okay, it closed below the grain. This is a very, very high probability trade setup. As we know, in Forex, as I said, there's nothing 100% right now, but at least based on the concept I'm sharing with you, this setup is a very perfect setup. So what we do also with this alligator is you enter your trade right there. You can put your stop loss there, and once again, use any method to take your profit. Now, with this Phoenix, if you're one of my students, you know, okay, with this Phoenix, it's telling you, okay, we're going to have a pullback. So what you also want to do is that you can go to 15 minutes and, you know, just wait to join that particular downward right there. So now let's use Tradermatic. I'm going to change to Tradermatic. So with Tradermatic also, as you can see right now, all right. So with Tradermatic also, you can see this perfect setup. This is a very, very perfect setup. You know, right, this is the beginning of the move that I show you. It has gone down. Okay, so let's say we take it right down. Consider this as our A, B, C, and we're going down based on what I just explained. So when you look at that also, this is it here. So we are below 50 EMA, okay, and it pulls back from this FIBO level 76.4. Even though we are in a buy zone in this 1 hour, but don't be surprised, it can still pull back down right here. So, and we have this signal also forming. So what do? So based on the concept of Tradermatic, by the way, if you need a copy of Tradermatic, you can go to www.tradermatic.net and get yourself a copy. So right now, by the time this candle closes, right below this level, we go short, we'll be expecting, you know, this bearish box to continue. And if that continues, we enter our, you know, we put the trigger, the stop loss come over here. And where are we expected to take profits? You can actually be expected to take profit right down there. Okay, and let me now show you the last strategy that I think most of you watching this video will be very interested to learn about, and that is the smart trader. Smart trader, I just you know, love doing analysis also, just like a trading view. So let me share my screen, the same thing right here. So as you can see, this is a EURAUD, the same concept that I share with you right there. So we have our A. Let me clear the screen. So I pick my smart fib and I put it right there. So as you can see, this is my A, this is my B. So with this A, B, now if it pulls back, based on what we do, it pulls back to right here. Where do you pull it back to? So we're looking into the green, okay, green level, and of course it continues downward. So this is our A, this is our B, This is our C right here, and we are expecting the D downward. So what is the D also? How do we match this? We match color to color right there. So from what I can see right here, let's see. From this, if you look at this horizontal line, so let's draw the trend. So with this trend line, okay, this is our B. It actually breaks right there, okay, right there. So we're going downward, and based on everything that we talk about, there are 2 or 3 different ways by which you can place this trade. Even though this is our C, you can decide to use it. If you enter in this place, the same thing, okay, the same trade that we're talking about. If you enter right there, since we get our signal from this red zone, so we can have our stop loss right there, and then we are expecting to trade down to red, okay. So red to red, red to red. So we are expecting this Euro AUD to pull down to, to push downwards towards 1.61226 area. Okay, 1.61226 area. I actually placed this trade when I saw this signal, as you can see right now on my funded Trading Plus account. As you can see right there, it's pushing downward. That is the same signal that I just analyzed for you. I hope you love this. If you like this video, come on now, give me a thumbs up, and like this video. Leave your comments below this video, share this with your friend, and if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you.